First of all,
should I heat shrink that or should I just take it?
what's up with that sweater?
I work for NASA.
Let me tell you, bro. If NASA is giving you those stuff, they're not putting much effort into the apparel, brother.
Why?
It looks like you bought that shit at Baby Gap.
Why?
I don't know. It looks like a 9-year-old painted it. It's like one of those, you know, when you see like a kid draw a world and it looks all like cartoonish. That's what it looks like. So, second question before we start the video. This is gonna determine. Are you taking this today?
I was hoping so.
Okay. So then therefore we'll make a video.
So we just stop right there. You go get your damn present. You open that shit because it's only gonna be a week. And honestly, you open it.
Well, guess what? I don't know if you recalled yesterday, but you said not to open it on camera, so guess what? You're effed up now. So, welcome. Today's video. Batman takes his piece of shit home. Batman, shut the f up. Let me just remind you, brother. Your car looks horrible without side screws. It looks like an egg with oversized wheels. Ugh. So, you wanna go take it for a test drive?
Yeah, but you need to extend that wire.
Why?
It's gonna hit.
What's it gonna hit?
The wire?
What's it gonna hit?
Well, look. Oh, okay, I'm gonna try it like that.
Yeah, why not? I don't think it's gonna hit anything, brother. No? You're scared?
Yep.
So what you're saying is you want to extend it right now is what you're saying.
I
All right, cool. Let's extend it. No, you already said it. All right. So, things we need. We need snips. We need heat shrink. We need crimpers. And we need butt connectors. So, offset. Hip hop question. Bitches be fucking with Cardi. Did you just say Party B? Cardi B. Oh, Cardi B. You know my parents saw this?
They did?
Yeah. They're laughing. And my mom's like, Devin. Sorry, Devin. But that's you. And you're enjoying yourself bomb pop. So, where's the wire you want to extend? This one right here? Up. Alright. So, Senor Batman wants to extend this wire because it's not reaching his, what is this?
Sensor for coolant.
Sensor for coolant. So, we're going to extend this. Just snip, snip. Add some wire that we don't have, actually. We don't have wire, brother. And then, yeah. I'm over here just doing my thing, minding my own stuff. Extending this wire right here. And you're over there talking your nonsense, brother. So, you know what, Batman? Long story short, brother. I don't think nobody gives a damn about what you're praying over there or preaching. Okay? No, I'm not in a bad mood, big dog. I'm actually in the best mood ever. But when you're over there talking nonsense, man, you start sounding a little on the janks. And guess what? I don't really give a damn after that point. So, let's tell the people what you're doing down there. I don't know if anybody can see his ass, but he's over there on the floor. So this guy decides to go on a trip with us to Phoenix. And his sway bar starts clicking. So what did he do? Removes it. This was what, 3 years ago? Yeah. 3 years ago. 3 years ago today, he still has no sway bar. He never put it back. So he just figured, it's doing fine without it. Let's not put my sway bar back on. So, what are you doing right now? But what?
What?
So you just disconnected and left it there is what you're saying.
Well, it was never connected in the first place.
So he disconnected his sway bar and his sway bar is still there, but it's not connected to the control arm.
It's like the whole thing.
So, what does he do? He zip ties it.
No, it's just the bar.
And you want people to believe you work at NASA? You over here zip tying shit, brother?
Fucking janitor.
Man, dude, talk about being a little janks. That sway bar is gonna be a little on the Twex. Alright, the wire is extended. Let's see where we run it through. I'll let you. Here you go, Batman. What you like? Right here. Grab it, dude. It's pulsing like you like it. Look. Open your mouth right there. Just give it a little lick. Come on, brother. In. Right here next to the NASA.
It's like a rocket ship.
You like those kids, the baby rocket chips? Where's the wire? Oh, peekaboo. Can't even see it, brother. That's the wire right there for your ass. That's how you do a wire tuck right there. So, all right, senor, what's next? What are we doing? But of course you don't know how I did it, Batman, because it's me.
Because you did it.
Because I take my time when I do things, Batman. That's why they come out nice and neat, okay? They just don't all of a sudden get done. I take time, I do them. That's why you didn't succeed on this side. And over there, look, somebody doesn't know that they're like, brother, how are your headlights even on, man? There's no wires on it. And then they come, oh, I see how this one's on. There's all these spider webs over here. God, Batman. Once again, free Batman. Anybody want him? Where can they pick you up?
Wherever.
On the side of Red Road and I-10. He's there every day at
9 o'clock.
At 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. He's there. Signing the booty. All right, so this is what he's trying to say right here. This hunk of mess right here. See, if you see on this side, it's all nice and tucked away. You can't even see it. And over here, it's boom. So we're gonna figure this mess out and clean it up a little bit. And yep, pick it back up. And then probably at that point, we're going for a test drive. See if it blows out. All right, I'm just telling you, dude. So let's figure this situations right here. You're knocking on wood?
Yeah.
And you had to walk all the way over there for wood?
Yeah.
There's a big ass 3x6 right there of straight wood. Big ass log right there. And this is Batman, he's like, shit, where's wood? What do I knock on wood? There's a big ass piece of plywood over there, brother, poking at you. Boom, done. So, from up here, you guys look, no wires. They're all tucked in there. Same for that side. So, just that ugly ass valve cover that is still not neon yellow. Nardi steering wheel still up in the roof. Senor Bats, what are you doing? Screwing the lens. What are you doing? Securing the battery. Alright, cool. So, your headlights are done, senor. I don't know if you want to turn them on just to make sure that we didn't unplug anything. Uh-oh. What about the battery? They're on? Yep. Well, they're not even on. Duh, Bam. Come on, Batman, get together, brother. Yeah. Yep.
Are the brights working?
Are those your brights?
Yeah, I don't have brights.
You want to do a prayer? I don't think you need to do a prayer, dude. I think you just need to full send it. If I hear you, bomb, bomb. Dude, I don't want to be in the vehicle when it blows up, brother. Okay. So, to all the neon yellow fans out there that were excited because that valve cover was possibly going neon yellow, sorry to say it, but it's not gonna be neon yellow because Senor Bats said if everything goes good with the test drive, he'll do neon yellow. So, I'm just saying, you know, I'm not worried about the wire tug, I'm worried about them brakes and them clutch, brother. Might be a little jinx. Just saying, might be a little jinx. So, well, you bled them, that's the problem. So, well, we did them, I was pumping.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. You were here when you did.
Yeah, but I don't know, brother. But turn it on and let's get it on and let's see what happens, yeah? All right, cool. Huh? No, yeah, I'm gonna go, but I gotta guide you out. What if you hit the beast right there? Come on, man. Get your shit together, brother. Look at this guy. Bro, we might not even move. And you're getting comfortable. Go full turn that way. What? Huh? For reals? That was my concern, brother.
But why though?
The clutch. Does it feel weird?
It doesn't go into gear at all. Right there it goes into gear.
But does it feel weird?
Like just trying to get it in.
Is the clutch in? The clutch is in? No, is the clutch in? Wait. The hell? Try and bleed the clutch and see if it grabs. Well, that's the only thing we can do. What do you mean F and A? I told you to feel that clutch. It feels a little on the wonky side, but you said it didn't feel wonks. Dude, I got in here and it felt, bro, this clutch feel wonks. I told you, but you said it didn't feel wonks, so no wonkies here, you said. Hours later, 500 pumps later, we bled the clutch again. Still did the same thing. So, Mr. Batman got on YouTube. Famous YouTube, shout out to the tubes. And some guy said you gotta hold something with the pry bar as you open the valve and you pump the clutch. We did that like 2 times and now the gears go in. So that was weird, whatever that is. What?
Before it leaks out.
Huh? What are you doing? Huh? This guy. I mean, you already got to mop my floor, brother. I don't know what you mean by imagine. I would have had to mop your floor. Like, all right. You might want to turn on your headlights, but all right. You're good. So you want me to get you over here? Go. Go. For your hazards. Why About to be a cop? I mean, to be honest, the brakes might have air too, but no reverse? I think you're rubbing, brother. I don't know. I think you're on the rubs here and shit. God, bro, you're doing a whole point A to point B type turn here. Hey, I think your brakes have air for sure, but heavy tick. What's that noise? It's obviously when it's turning. First test drive in 9 months, how did it feel? Horrible. Scale 1 to 10? Damn, horrible. That's not even on the meter, brother. Let's close that because it's cold. Look at the mess you have on my floor right there. Jesus. So, you guys witnessed that. It was probably horrible footage because he ain't got no lights inside besides the Christmas tree on the dash, but there's some weird noises coming out of somewhere. So. Maybe that swipe bar you zip tight, brother. But I mean, if you say you've always had it zip tied and it's never done that noise, then I don't know what to tell you. Nope. So, either that or your axle. Because it only sounded when you were spinning, so. Are your wheels tight?
You should.
Alright.
I don't know.
Oh, God. I mean, I don't see why they'd be loose, but. Your car, Batman. We're out. Good night. Well, you get all a little scared like a little girl, brother. Huh? Would you say that today you took another L? And why you gotta throw the F there? I don't know if you throw an L because, I mean, it moved, look. So it runs on its own power now. The only thing is you have that weird scraping sound, so I'm leaning to it being your axle, bro, so. But I'm tired. Batman's tired. Batman's had enough of this car. And we're gonna go to sleep. We're gonna call it a day. So I think tomorrow we're gonna give it another go and see if at that point he can finally take it home. But I'm leaning towards his axle being effed up, the driver one. So with that being said, we'll catch you on the next one. He's not even gonna say bye to you guys, so. Peace.